Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll be talking about place values of whole numbers and we'll be identifying ones, tens, and hundred. For example, we have 3, 4, 5. We want to find the place value of each digit. So place value helps us to understand the worth of each digit according to their position in a number. For example, we want to know the worth of 5, we want to know the words of 4 and 3. So place value tells us that each digit here has different words based on the position it occupies in a number. Looking at our place value chart, to help us position these numbers, we start from the right side. We position number from the right, then we go down to the left. So when positioning number, we always start with the ones. So this is ones, then we go to tens, and we go to 100. Place values tells us that each digit here has different values. It has different words. 5 here tells us that this is 5 ones, this is 4 tens, and this is 300. We can't say 3 here is 3 because of its position is 3 cannot represent 3 here. So 3 here means 300. 4 here means 40. And 5 here means 5. Let's take a look at another number. Let's find the place value of this. 43. Looking at our place values, we start from the right. We name the position of each number. We start from the ones, 0. We start from the the tens. So this tells us that 3 here occupies the ones position, 3, and 4 here tells us that it occupies the tens position, 40. Each number gets 10 times bigger when it moves from one place to the left. That is because we use a number system of base 10, which allows us to use 10 digit number. So that's why each value is 10 times bigger when we move from the right to the left. For example, another one. Let's find the place value of 400. You start by naming each value from the right. Start by the ones, then the tens, then the 100. So you can say 0, tens, 0, and 400. What about if we have just a single number, 8? Because we have just one number, so the value here is 8. So that will be all for today's video. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on bell notification. See you all in my next video. Thank you very much.